Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to learn one of the most important English speaking skills ever. How to introduce yourself confidently in English. Whether you're meeting new people, speaking in class, attending an interview, or networking, a confident self-introduction opens doors for you. I'm going to show you simple structure, real examples, confidence tips, and delivery tricks that make your introduction sound natural, not awkward or tense. So if speaking English makes you nervous sometimes, don't worry, this lesson will change that. Do you know why confident self-introduction matters? Because introducing yourself is not just about saying your name. It's the first impression you create. A good introduction tells others who you are, what you do, and something interesting about you, in a smooth, confident way. Foreign English trainers and communicators stress that clear introductions help people connect with you faster and trust you more. Confidence isn't something you wait for. It's something you show every time you speak. Part 1. Structure of a confident introduction. A confident introduction usually has 4 small blocks. Greeting, name, background or what you do, a personal interest or goal, and you deliver it in a relaxed, clear voice. Let's break these down. Number 1. Greeting. Always start with a greeting. For example, hello everyone. Hi there. Good morning. This makes you sound friendly and approachable right away. Number 2. Name. Say your name clearly. For example, my name is Aman Sharma. Or, you can call me Aman. Names are important, say them slowly and clearly. Number 3. Background or what you do. Now, tell them something about your current life. If you are a student, then say, I'm currently a final year engineering student. If you are working, then say, I'm a digital marketing specialist with 2 years of experience. If you're learning English, then say, I'm learning English to improve my communication skills. This tells people why you are here. Number 4. Personal touch. Add one thing that makes you memorable. Examples. I enjoy painting in my free time. I love reading books about personal growth. I'm passionate about learning new languages. This makes your introduction human and not robotic. Part 2. Sample introductions. Let's now look at some practical introductions you can actually use in real situations. Notice the structure. Backhand index pointing right. Example 1. Casual introduction, useful in college, for new friends or any social event. Hello there. My name is Riya Varma. I'm currently a marketing student in my final year. I'm really interested in branding and digital media. And I enjoy learning how companies connect with their audience. In my free time, I love traveling and photography, because it allows me to explore new cultures and ideas. I'm excited to meet new people here and learn from everyone. As you can see, it sounds natural. It shows personality. It ends positively. Now moving on the next example. Example 2. Professional introduction, which is for job interview, office, or networking. Good morning. I'm Rahul Jadhav. I'm currently working as a software developer, with 3 years of experience in building web applications. I specialize in front-end development and enjoy creating user-friendly digital solutions. In my previous role, I worked on several projects that improved customer engagement and system efficiency. I'm always eager to learn new technologies and grow professionally. I'm looking forward to contributing and learning in this environment. As you can see, it shows clear experience. Mentions skills. Shows growth mindset. Sounds confident, not arrogant. Moving on to the next one. Example 3, friendly and personal introduction. Hi. I'm Neha. I'm currently learning English because I want to improve my communication skills and feel more confident while speaking. I come from a small town, but I have big goals. And I believe strong communication can open many doors. I enjoy reading self-development books and listening to podcasts in my free time. I'm really happy to be here and excited to improve step by step. What a beautiful introduction. It is honest and relatable. Shows motivation. Adds a personal dream. Moving on to the next example. Example 4, simple beginner version. Hello everyone. My name is Arjun. I'm a second-year college student studying commerce. I'm hardworking, friendly, and always ready to learn new things. In my free time, I like playing cricket and watching educational videos. Thank you for listening. Moving on to the last example. Example 5, confident and impressive, to create strong presence. Good afternoon. I'm Sneha Kapoor. I'm passionate about personal growth and communication skills. Currently, I'm preparing for competitive exams while also improving my English fluency. I strongly believe that confidence and consistency can change a person's life. I'm here to learn, grow, and connect with like-minded people. Part 3, Delivery Tips. Now understand something very important. It is not just what you say, it is how you say it that creates impact. Two people can speak the same introduction with the same words, but one sounds confident and impressive while the other sounds nervous and unsure. The difference is not vocabulary. The difference is delivery. Your speed, tone, posture, eye contact, and facial expression all communicate confidence even before your words do. Number 1, first, speak slowly and clearly. When people feel nervous, they automatically start speaking faster because they want to finish quickly. But rushing makes you sound anxious and difficult to understand. Confident speakers control their pace. They pause naturally between sentences and allow their words to land. Speaking slowly does not mean speaking weakly. It means speaking with control. When you slow down, your breathing improves, your thoughts become organized, and your confidence increases automatically. If you control your speed, you control your fear. Number 2, eye contact is another powerful tool. When you maintain natural eye contact, you show that you are comfortable and honest. It builds instant trust. However, confidence does not mean staring intensely. Look at the listener for a few seconds, then shift naturally. If you feel nervous, focus gently on the area between the eyes. Avoid constantly looking down or away, because that sends a signal of insecurity. Your eyes should communicate. That you are present and engaged in the moment. Number 3, a natural smile also makes a huge difference. You do not need to force a big artificial smile. A soft, relaxed smile is enough to make your introduction warm and welcoming. When you smile slightly, your voice automatically sounds more positive and friendly. People may not remember every sentence you say, but they will remember the feeling you gave them. A calm smile reduces tension, not only for the listener, but also for you. Number 4, your posture directly affects your confidence level. If you slouch or bend forward, your breathing becomes shallow and your voice sounds weaker. When you sit or stand straight with relaxed shoulders and steady posture, your voice becomes clearer and stronger. Good posture also signals self-respect. Confidence begins in the body before it appears in your words. Even if you feel nervous inside, standing tall helps you appear composed outside. And eventually, your inner confidence starts matching your outer presence. Finally, practice your introduction in real conditions. Do not only repeat it silently in your mind. Practice in front of a mirror, record yourself on your phone, or introduce yourself to a friend. Real confidence comes from repetition. The more you practice speaking aloud, the more natural it feels. Confidence is not a personality trait you are born with. It is a skill you build through consistent action. Now look at some common mistakes to avoid. Don't do this. Speak too fast. Use long, complicated words. Add too many details at once. Look down while speaking. Good introductions are simple, clear, and honest. Remember, an introduction is not a test. It's a chance to show who you are, confidently and naturally. So if this video helped you, like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs confidence in English. Practice daily, stay consistent, and keep improving. Your fluent English journey has already begun. Thank you for listening. See you in the next one.